Hi, my name is Jenilyn from section Poseidon. And the topic that I chose is the Z-score. So, what is the Z-score? A Z-score is also known as a standard scores indicate how many standard deviation an element from the mean. A Z-score can be calculated by this formula, where Z is the Z-score and X is the value of element. So, let's say we have a normal distribution curve, also known as a bell-shaped curve. And we're gonna have some mean. Let's say we have a mean of 100. Next, and I have some observation. Let's say I have observation of 125. And I want to know how far from the mean, what is the distance. Well, in statistics, Z-score is the mean in the standard deviation. So here's another bell curve with the standard deviation. In this is the mean. Next, this is bell curve represent of 100% of all scores. So this is 50%. That's the right side of the mean, and another probability of the left side is also 50%. The probability happening between 0 on one side between standard deviation in 34%, and the left side is also 34%. So the probability is happening in this are between negative 1 to positive 1 standard deviation. So let's go back for looking at the mean of 100%. Say your observation for the right is 1.99 standard deviation from the mean. That is the score of 1.99. If we look up is 0.461. That the Z-score and the mean in the value there from 1.99 or 47.61% of all scores. And because we know this in entire area, here's so 50% of scores, I'm gonna add 50% of scores and 47.61% to get 97.61 of all scores below that number. We can also figure that the probability of an observation be greater than in 125. So the last is area is the entire area contains 100% of scores, and used to figure out the area below of observation of a 125 contains 97.61 scores. If I subtract those, we get 2.39%. So now here it contains 2.39 of all score. That's all. Thank you.